days are different than before. There are times when I have to catch myself from drifting. Put on a beat, got me lipping to the left side. With the rhyme, well, time got me paralyzed. With a rhythm takes me so uplifting. Music is a drug and I'm one who will abuse it. It's a weapon and a generation footprint. Makes the present more relevant. Steal it, selling it, make more melodies. Music carries me while I lurk to the beat. Broken melodies, auto-tuned to the world's one-sided spin cycle. Spin cycle. It's been a while since I've seen that smile of hers. Then today I came across some of our old pictures. I heard a song set off an alarm. The memories poured back vivid and strong. And for a moment the music brought us back together. Listen, when you're moving forward, try to learn a lesson. Stop obsessing over somebody's possession. There is music that will help you if you listen. Music carries me while I lurk to the beat. Precious memories, all divided, one-sided spin cycle. Spin cycle. Breeze poured back vivid and strong. And for a moment the music brought us back together. Listen, when you're moving forward, try to learn a lesson. Stop obsessing over somebody's possession. There is music that will help you if you listen. Music carries me while I lurk to the beat. Precious memories, all divided, one-sided spin cycle. Spin cycle. Spliff in my hand, unison, sing along with the band. Oh yeah, music, carry me up when I'm losing, but when I'm using, I'm abusing. I wanna sing it again. Music carries me while I lurk to the beat. Toxic melodies, I wanna poison the world's one-sided spin cycle. Spin cycle.
like, subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification button. Hey, yo, we always up to something.